Hi, good morning. My name is Amir Taliwala and I am the CEO of Alrisk Advertising. And we are here today to celebrate the 52nd UAE National. At Alrisk Advertising, we are thrilled to celebrate this joyous occasion in a nation that inspires unity, progress and innovation. Our heartfelt gratitude to the visionary leaders who guide us towards greatness. A special thanks to our dedicated team at Alrisk Advertising. Your creativity and commitment contribute to our success. As we mark this milestone, let's reflect on the principles that make the UAE a beacon of hope and progress. And here is to a future filled with prosperity and success. Happy National Day.